This must be the famous gum wall. Come here and stick your gum on the wall. Anybody have some gum? This is downtown Seattle, about a block away from Pike Place, where we're going to go see the original Starbucks. It's on my list, and I guess they throw the fish there too, so we'll get a good look at that. It's kind of interesting. I like these shops over here. 1931. That one there. For some reason, a view from up here. That's pretty cool. I like this. This alley goes both ways. Look this way. We'll zoom in down that street. This alley shops. And then here it is, right over there. Let's zoom in. I believe that's it. This guy is. And this is the place we've been waiting to go to. Right over here. And there's a long line to get in, so we're going to go get in line and take our time. Come here for your soul food, oyster bar, dumplings, soapbox, and you can run with your baby because they're going deep. And it is now 5:27, 5:28. They stopped serving drinks at 5:30, and they close at 6. So I'm a little disappointed that they closed so early. So we've been waiting in line for probably these 20 minutes at this point. So if you want to come and get inside, make sure to get here early.
All right, folks, just to let you know, it is officially 5:30. We are no longer doing beverages.
And we were 2 people away from being able to get coffee. So now it's 5:30 and they've stopped serving beverages. So now we can just buy a mug, that's it. So sad. That's the original logo up there. Can we buy coffee?
Beans we can get at the register, just like the merchandise.
But no drinks?
No, they have to start cleaning up. We have to get out of here.
Alright, got it. Okay.
I'm sorry.
No problem. Alright, thank you.
You can get these drinks at any hotel.
Yeah.
They're the same. It's the merchandise.
That's right. We came here for the merchandise. Not the drinks.
Registers will have pictures. They'll sell you new ones.
Alright, let's pick out the mug we want. I sort of like that one. Hot mug. Try to sign that one. Or this one up there. I'm breaking them.
But it's just a display show.
Ah, okay.
Buy new ones over there.
Alright, got it.
They're going to sell you new ones. There's another cash register.
Okay.
So we just go up there?
Well, that was a quick, fun trip to Starbucks. And like I said, I was a little disappointed. They closed at 6. We got here at 5 and had to wait in line. And 2 people away from being able to order coffee. But we got in, got some blingy. Some stuff you can only buy here. I guess this is the backside of Pike Place. Nice boardwalk up here. Restaurants. Great, and a great view of the harbor. Salmon BLT. And some good clam chowder. We've seemed to have stumbled across the Pike Street hill climb. Waterfront down those stairs. Want to try it? When you come down the stairs, this is what you see. Seattle Aquarium. I guess it's called Miner's Landing over there. Some people are cheering somebody on. Something just happened over there. I'm not exactly sure what happened. Those are the stairs we just walked down. We got a parking garage and the street is under construction here. It's a closer up look of Miner's Landing. Looks like some pretty good restaurants over here. And of course you get the big Ferris wheel. Here in Post Alley, the gum wall. Smells minty, actually. Kind of gross. It does smell kind of minty. Ugh. It's right next to Ghost Alley Espresso. Looks like we missed the throwing fish. The fish market is closed. Darn it. We shall see. Too bad we missed it. Here's the famous pig. I forget what the name is. But it's a piggy bank. They have it locked up, but you can give donations. And this is what the market looks like when nobody's here. And it's... what time is it? 7 o'clock? No, it must be later than that. It must be like 8 o'clock. Every place is closed. So sad. Oh well.